OPPO Find X series has consistently rivaled the likes of Vivo X lineup for the title of best-equipped smartphone on the market. The company is now gearing up to unveil the even more premium Find X8 Ultra, and a new leak suggests OPPO is making a big change in the upcoming model. Digital Chat Station, who claims that, unlike its curved screen predecessors, the Find X8 Ultra will feature a flat display. This could be a welcome change for users who prefer a more traditional form factor and want to avoid the accidental touches often associated with curved screens. This is OPPO Find X8 Ultra renders. What do you think? The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, potentially paired with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The phone is to launch with the latest ColorOS 15 build, an alert slider, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. OPPO Find X8 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch OLED display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find X8 Ultra camera module layout leaked reveals unique dual-step design, a 1-inch 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 main sensor, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX9063X periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX8826X periscope telephoto camera. A 32-megapixel sensor will handle selfies. OPPO Find X8 Ultra powered by a 6000 mAh battery with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.